shit crazy, man. Whoa. I smell that shit. I was gonna come out here and finish with the car, but the sun was out after that last clip of the rain and everything. It cleared up and everything was nice, and now we got this again. Yeah, I know that thing is pretty damn loud, but you know it is. I try to talk a little closer to the microphone. But yeah, we definitely gonna let y'all hear how that sounds. It's gonna shock y'all, I promise you. But probably won't be today. So, oh, that's dope. Alright guys, I can't make this shit up. So anyhow, I got some in my hand, so that's why I did it that way. Show y'all the little debris. We had like a little small little tornado type wind type you know what I mean, type. But anyhow, show y'all the my bad, got that down. Oh, that shit over there all in the yard, all that good shit. Yeah, that was up. It's up pretty bad. And it's all up the street too. Oh shit, yep. Know who's been driving. God.
It seems for you must push it back.
Yeah, I pushed it back. God, woman.
Go on. Go use it. You got doo-doo?
Get the doo-doo.
Start taking time with him at nighttime too.
I do.
Make sure. Yeah, sometimes he's gonna tell you he's done, but you need to wait.
Okay. My bad, guys. Yeah, mine don't do like y'all car. You got to jack this thing up. But yeah, guys, I'm finna I know this radio gonna catch it. And there it. No. That's the first. It is warm in this car. Yeah. Sorry about all the clips, guys. The storm kind of messed me up. And then the day that I made that last video, I actually, I heard this shit. Y'all finna be shocked. Some of y'all probably already know what it's finna sound like. But, yeah, alright. I'm gonna have to find that damn song, because I'm not getting copyrighted. So, speaking of that, y'all know the video, not this last one, but the one before, I got copyrighted bad. Like on 2 songs, I want to say. And I called myself trying to fix it so I wouldn't get copyright, like muted and all this. Well, some kind of a way, a song was still on there, that I didn't get off. I know I could have went and fixed it or whatever. Damn, y'all hazy as hell. Do I got this backwards? Hold on, guys. Yeah, all right. I know I could have went and fixed it, but I was like, man, I don't even feel like it. And damn, it tore that tree down. I will show y'all that, but yeah, y'all see the front of the house and all that good stuff. But yeah, it knocked down the tree right in front of the damn house. That sucked. But yeah, man, so what happened is basically I'm not getting paid for that video. The person that the song it is that's playing, they getting paid for it. So that sucked big time. I was mad as hell, but I wish I would have went and fixed it, but I'm just like, man, I ain't gonna worry about it. Shit, I got a whole bunch of videos on my a whole bunch of videos I done did that I had to turn the damn monetization off. Monetization, whatever that shit is. Damn, there goes another tree. Right there. I'm telling you, boy, it was ugly. And there's one right there. But yeah. So, you know what? I'm gonna wait till after. I let y'all hear this. I brought that screwdriver, that drill, because I'm sure that I'm gonna be taking this this damn piece of wood right back off. Cause yeah, I just let y'all see for yourself. I'm gonna probably have to well, I'm sure I'm gonna have to cut the camera off to find that beat that I made, because I don't want to get copyright no more. I need all my little candy lady candy money. That all I'm getting anyhow. Alright, I gotta turn y'all away. Yeah, look at the box. I'm gonna say, open up. Open sesame. Yeah, man. Few things I gotta talk about, but I'm gonna let y'all hear this system. And then I got a clip. Yesterday I went to came to the store and ran into an old friend of mine. He been on the channel before. Y'all will see who I'm talking about. He stepped his game up. And I don't know if y'all remember his sister. I don't know. Well, I know y'all probably didn't know they were sisters and brothers, but the one that had the tie hole, the lady with the red hair, she done stepped her game up too. Said her shit beating like crazy, but I didn't get to record it because she wasn't there. But yeah. Y'all ready for this? My bad, I wasn't holding the camera right. Y'all finna, man. This shit, man. Y'all gonna be like, what in the fuck? Like, seriously, that's what y'all gonna be saying. But y'all get a good look at it. It's in the back seat. You know what I mean? It's back there. Everything is hooked up. But, yeah. Hold that thought. Alright, guys. Y'all know that's my beat. I don't know why I'm doing that. But, yeah. We just gonna... I can't start it over. And there it is. You hear shit. Nothing. Not a damn thing. And I got it turned up too. Nothing. Now that's with the windows down. This shit crazy, man. Whoa. I smell that shit. Well, I be damned. That stink. Guys, that stink. Oh, I remember. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, man, because the shit was, it didn't sound like shit. So, I ain't even gonna lie, I turned this game up a little bit. I didn't do much, just a hair. So, I'm bet you that's why it's smelling like that. But yeah, I might want to let that, I'm gonna turn this actually all the way down. Now I'm trying to debate if I want to even mess with that damn porthole. Cause I'm bet you money if I do that, it's really gonna sound like shit. But yeah, damn, I'm debating, man, if I want to mess with this porthole. I don't want to mess them damn speakers up. Did I just see some smoke? Oh no, that was just some cat hair. Just some cat hair. But damn, I ain't even get to play it long. This thing already saying no, sir. I was gonna play a few songs and like do it with facing, turning, and all that good shit, which I am still gonna turn it facing this way because my wife be driving my car, and I don't want the damn box to flip over and hit shit or hit her something. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm try to set y'all up so y'all can see me wrestle with this damn thing. Hopefully y'all can see me when I do it. I mean, it ain't really nothing, but it is what it is. Turn these bad boys upside down. Be upside down shit. Cause I don't smell shit now. Freaking out and shit. Alright guys. So there is a reason behind all this. If anybody is wondering what the hell I'm doing. One, I am bored. Two, this probably ain't gonna fucking work. I don't think it's gonna slide nowhere. Yeah. So there is a reason behind all this. Bored and oh, I bet that shit gonna hit hard as hell on my back. Yeah. Fuck that seat over there. Let me get to what I'm finna say. So, I listen to a lot of y'all in the comments. Oh, I hate this smoking. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait on the other 215s. I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna get the right box for these for now. So this is what I ask y'all, if y'all can help me out with this. The measurements I need for the right box, 32, 34 hertz. I don't know how to do none of that. I tried, but as you can see, it didn't turn out right. Now that trunk is small, so yeah. So just let me know in the comments, Instagram, message me something, send me a picture, something I can go off of, because I definitely don't know. But I'm gonna do that, and because I honestly don't think I even got the full anything from these speakers yet. Like, I know they do beat, they've been beaten, but y'all see how I keep changing my mind, because it's something just don't sound like I done been around people that had 15s that you would think they had like 70 damn speakers in their car, and mine don't give that. So I'm gonna give it a little whirl, but hey, I'm still doing the 415s. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it right now. Plus we got too much shit going on right now for me to even be thinking about buying anything like that. Last weekend my homie got jammed up, relationship problems. Y'all know how women is, good lord. But hopefully, I'm not even gonna say nothing. I ain't even gonna say nothing. We just gonna see what next weekend bring, because y'all know how I do, right? It just, yeah. So now that I don't know what I smell, because I don't smell it no more. And you know when it smells. So I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Nah, I do smell it. Yeah, I smell it. Damn it, man. That just ruined my damn video again. This some bullshit, man. I ain't making this up. I wish y'all could smell this shit. It stink. It's ugh. That's why I can't never get this smell out my car. Cause that shit. But y'all see I tried, man. I was gonna sit out here for a good 20-30 minutes trying to make this video. But I guess it's just not meant for me. But that ain't the end of me. Y'all know better than that. Nope, I ain't giving up. I never give up. Just a little hurdle. It'll go away. But if you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe, turn the bell on, and rock out with your boy. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna get the right box for it. I honestly think, me personally, just to be all the way 100 with y'all, I think I have crossed some wires up some kind of a way. I don't have it wired the way I thought I had it wired, but who knows. Like I said, that competition, that car show, I'm still trying to work my magic on that. The only sucky part is I don't know if I'm gonna be working that weekend. So, and then I gotta have I don't know who gonna be able to ride with me, because it's a nice little drive and I don't be driving by my damn self. And then don't know if they gonna have to work or anything. So it's gonna be kind of rough for me if I do go. Why do I feel like I just messed up? I ain't even gonna tell y'all what your boy just did. Ah, shit. I was about to go straight off the cliff, guys. Right off that damn thing. I don't know what the hell I was thinking about. No, them speakers didn't mess me up, man. I ain't gonna front. But I bet you, no, I ain't gonna sound stupid. But it could be that they in the open, and or that damn they can't breathe. They can't breathe. I want to say somebody told me that was gonna happen. You can't get on them because they'll get hot. I think somebody did say that in the comments, if I ain't mistaken. Oh well, I'm still gonna get my flex on, man. But like I said, hopefully everything on my homie end is good, and y'all send me, something. I looked it up and everything, but what they didn't tell me is how long the box got to be and how wide and all that stuff to get it to the 32 to 34 hertz. So that's why I ain't never tried to do it. I just guessed that one, and y'all see how it turned out. Let me get right here for a second. Hold it though. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I know I done did a lot of damn talking, guys. I just want to get some stuff off the dome. And I wanted to have a damn good video for y'all, man, but that shit didn't. It's somebody said, you ain't doing me. You is not about to do me. Nope, I'm finna do you. How about this? I don't want to work now. But it is what it is. I can't wait till I get them other 15s. And I got a bad feeling that I already see this. I'm gonna get them other 15s, and it still ain't gonna be loud enough. Watch what I tell you. That's just the thing about being a damn bass head. You never get enough, ever. Don't matter how much bass you got in your car, it still ain't enough. I'm back, guys. I'm just trying my best to hold this damn camera. Oh well, shit. I really want to hear how it sounds like this though, cause I bet that shit just tearing you back up. Which I'll be mad at me if I put 6 15s in here. With them 2 right there and 4 in the back. I'm not doing that shit. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. But yeah, y'all know I normally do my videos on Wednesday, but I want to go on and finish that one up. I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell I can do this week to be my Wednesday video. You know what I mean? Oh, damn it, boy. Well, guys, I ain't gonna drag this video on any longer. Just stay tuned with your boy. I'm gonna throw that clip in. Oh boy, his truck, and it's probably gonna be the end of the video. Man, I was trying to get y'all the video with them 312s. Like I said, he had issues with his girl. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. I ain't gonna say nothing else. Y'all watch the end of it with the truck, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace. Y'all remember listening to it, don't you? Yeah, they got that bang in here now. You don't see. See what they got back here. Oh, hello, doggy. Oh, yeah. You banging for real now. Check you out back here. Damn. That shit beating.
For what little bit I have in it,
It's hitting though.
and I mean that still ain't up as loud as I usually do it
Right. Yeah.
because of the box.
Okay. Yeah, you definitely in there.